How are you guys? This is unboxing today. The mobile is Kechaoda, the basic phone, 3 SIM, 5000 mAh battery like a power bank. I purchased from this Amazon in today's unboxing this phone. Before I start the video, like and subscribe my channel and share this video. Let's start. This is our invoice. This is a purchase from Amazon. This is the invoice. Amount is 1200 rupees. I apply the promo code. I buy this one 1200 rupees. This is our phone. Amazon in. So already I am unboxed. My audience will be watched, that's why again one more time unbox. This is our phone. My headphone also, everything there, charger also. This is inside the battery, 5000 mAh, like a power bank. Have 3 SIM slot. See 1 and 2 and 3 have this memory card space. Basic camera also there. Listen the sound. See Kechaoda, they have the very big battery, have power light also there. You want to use this one in the tracking, anywhere you go, this one use the phone. Let's take one thumbnail. Please share this video and subscribe my channel and like my video. This is our phone. Okay guys, bye.